In this figure, it shows the supports that I'm going to be using for my compound microscope. You have a block here, and originally from a piece of wood, a pine wood, you cut out a block that is 20 millimeters thick, 440 millimeters long, and 50 millimeters wide. And if you look here, here's the dimension of that piece of block. The total height of the microscope support beam, which is what everything is attached to, is only 319 millimeters. So obviously we're going to be cutting some of that off, and the excess, which is the last 121 millimeters, we use to make these supports, and there's two of them, which we use from that block. And the reason why we have a V here is because plastic and wood usually like to hug each other, and it's hard to adjust your optics tube when they're snug against each other. The way you keep it snug against that V shape there is you cut this figure out here, which looks like a pentagon, and your tube has to be sticking out at least 1 millimeter from your edge here. See how the tube is touching this beam here, but this beam isn't touching the support? And then you use 2 wood screws to adjust the tightness on the tube, so you can unscrew these, and you can move the microscope up, or the optics tube up and down to adjust your numbers. But anyways, that's the support parts of my microscope.